Alright, to help you navigate our website, and particularly with the Human Resource Management Information Program, here's a quick video. So here is the link that I'm providing. Now under it are several different classes. First thing you should do is click on More, and then it shows all the different options. Now what you can do is to find out where this is located exactly. It will likely be Annandale or Woodbridge. You can highlight, copy and paste this little number here, close it, and then look it up here, as I already had right there. When I click Go, it then goes to that exact class, and you can see this one is in Annandale, for instance, right here. And it shows all the dates and times, which of course are listed back there. So please go through each More here, and then in a Word document or somewhere else, just record all the different classes, specifically the times and dates that you like them. A couple of them, like the ones I just clicked on, of course, are not available at all, so please exclude those. But then there are some that have two different times, such as, let's see here, this one, Training and Employee Development, for instance, has two different options. And so also, yeah, and then just send it to me when you get a chance. All right, thank you.